Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video where we're going to be talking about the real, but today's video is actually about items that were rejected, and I'm going to go through that box and make a decision as to what I'm going to do with them. Am I going to keep them and resell them myself? Am I going to try to send them back? Am I going to try ThredUp with some of these items, or am I going to donate them? So let's get into it. This is a big box. All right, guys. I'm just going to flip my camera here really. Oh, I can't flip my camera, but I can do this. So here you'll see this box of items that I need to go through. There's also all of this right here that I need to go through. So it's a lot. Yeah, I need to go through all this stuff and see what's what. This stuff was returned to me last week, and I just haven't had a chance to go through it all yet, which is what we're going to do today. And I'm just going to prop you up really quick, and I'll show you the items. Leo, it's your YouTube debut. Say hello. This is little kitten Leo. Hello, little man. He's going to help me with the box. Okay, so I'm going to start going through some stuff and kind of go from there. This first piece, I think I'm just going to end up selling myself. I had sent this in, and they keep sending it back to me, and I don't know why. It doesn't have any rips or holes or anything of what they're saying. And it's this Tumi puffer jacket. Show you the tag. I got this last year, and they keep rejecting it. They keep saying there's a hole, but there's no hole anywhere. I have checked every pocket. I have checked everything, and there's no hole to be seen. So I think I'm just going to sell this myself and keep that. Next up, let me put my hair up, so I'm going to start sweating real soon. All right. That's not a good YouTube look, but it is what it is. Next up is this Miss Dior, like nightgown, lingerie type thing. See, Miss Dior. This is a diffusion, I believe, of Dior. Can be valuable. It is vintage. It's really pretty. It's a little nighty, and it's got this little belt here. I think I'm just going to sell this myself. They've rejected it 4 times, so I'm kind of done with it at this point. What's this? Oh, this shouldn't be in this file. I don't know why I sent this. This was an accident. But this is Brooks Brothers. But it has the Loro Piana label here. So this brand on its own is worth a lot, and the Real does take it. And I think I accidentally put this in, but it's Brooks Brothers with the collaboration. So I'm just going to sell this myself or send it into ThredUp. I'm not sure. I got to look that up and see what it sells for. These are just a pair of Marc Jacob trousers. They're a cropped length. I think I paid 99 cents or $1.99 for these. These were a Salvation Army find. So I sent them in. They usually accept it, but they didn't take it this time. And I think I got them because they have the little pleats here. That's why I grabbed them. I'm going to try to send them in again and see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? They send them back. If they do, I think I'm going to try ThredUp with them and see how that goes. This is, I don't know if you pronounce this as Hache. I don't know, but they have taken this brand before. It's just a little peplum blouse. I'm going to try to send it back again. They said there was a hole. There is no hole. So we're going to send that in again and see what happens. I'm going to try to send this Vince skirt. I've had this for quite some time. They rejected it twice now. They're saying there's a stain, but I'm not seeing a stain anywhere. So this is the old tag Vince. I bought this over a year ago. It's goat leather, which is why I grabbed it, but it's just not moving. Oh, I see this right here. See that little line? That's why they won't take it. So I'm going to send this to ThredUp. because I've had it for a really long time, and at this point I just want money for it. So that's gonna go in my thrown up pile. I have this Kate Spade dress that I need to clean because I didn't realize that it has, first of all, the dress is beautiful. It's got this beautiful little layer right here with the scalloped detail. It has a little stain. Let's see if I can find it. It's so tiny. I don't think it's gonna pick up on the camera. It's so small, but can you guys see that? No, you can't see it on camera. But yeah, I gotta try to clean this myself before I send it back in because that's why they sent it to me. So there's that. Next is, I have a cat that's probably gonna knock this off, which is gonna be a problem. Stop it. Please hold. Okay, we're back. We're gonna move right along here. This video is not gonna take long, but I do wanna show you things that they sometimes reject that I don't understand and things that they reject that after I look over and I'm like, probably shouldn't have sent that in. This is let's see if I can find the tag, a 3.1 Phillip limb. I think this is the older tag blouse. It's actually super pretty. I tried to sell this myself and it just wasn't getting attention. It wasn't moving. So I sent it in. This is my third time sending it in. They've rejected it. And I think it's because it looks like areas have little marks in the silk, but it's not. It's actually the design of the blouse itself. It has all of these random lines throughout. Let me see if I can find another one. So for example, right there as well. So it looks like there's marks in it, but there isn't. I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna try to send it one more time and see what happens. If they send it back again, then I guess I will relist and try to sell it myself. I mean, that's really all I can do at this point. Okay, next. This is a new item brand that they are accepting on the Real. They are accepting Burton. And I typically don't pick up Burton, but this was actually free. It was a donation. And it's just a women's zip up. So I'm going to send it in and see how it goes. I mean, I'm kind of excited because I do send them North Face and Sorel and Patagonia. So I'm really excited to send in Burton and see how it sells on there. I can find a lot of this kind of stuff around me. I am in New England, so easier to find those type of outdoor brands. Next, this is a Ulla Johnson old tag mini skirt. They didn't take it the first time. I'm going to try again and see if they take it. This was 99 cents at Salvation Army. Next up is this Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. The wrap is undone there, but it's got this ruffle detailing on the neckline. It is the newer Diane von Furstenberg? No, this is like the second to last tag redesign that they've had. This was at Salvation Army for 50% off, so I paid $5, so that's gonna go right in. I do well Diane von Furstenberg at the Real, so might get priced at like 50 or 75, but I will make my money double, which is good. This is Theory, and I've been sending them a lot of Theory lately, and it's been selling really well. This is just a tweed style. It's almost got like a tartan plaid, I don't know, but it's like a also tweed. I don't know. It's pretty. It's like a fall dress. It doesn't have the size, so they might not take it because of that, but it's been sitting in my closet, and I'm gonna send it in. Was I saying that Theory sells well there? It does. Theory does sell well, and they typically accept it, so I don't know, I'm gonna try it. This is good old Giorgio Armani. This is just a blazer. It's not gingham. It kind of looks like gingham from far away, but it's actually little polka dots. It's got shoulder pads. It's kind of going with the whole vintage vibe. It's in really good condition. I found this at Goodwill for $3.99. So that is gonna go there. This next piece is a gamble. They've rejected it once, so I'm gonna try again, and it's just Reese. It's the older tag, but it's a blazer. I typically always take a gamble with blazers. I feel like they generally accept other or obscure brands that they don't normally take when they're in a blazer format. They just have a clientele for it, where listing it myself. First of all, it doesn't interest me. And secondly, I want to see. Just want to see what they do. Okay, so now I know why they didn't take this the first time. I need to fix this. So this brand is Haas Entropia. Never heard of it, looked it up. They've sold it before. It's a European brand. So this is tweed. And the reason why they didn't take it is because I didn't remove this little string that's right here. So we're going to do that. We're going to remove this string and we're going to send it back. And it's really cute. Got this on my latest trip in Mass when I went thrifting with Lori, and I paid $4.99 for this skirt. So I just got to remove these little pulls here really carefully, and that will go in the box. These Marc Jacob pants I already showed you. Let's throw that back in the box there. Showed you this top. Okay, this is a men's Burberry's, so vintage blazer. It's really pretty eggplant color. They said there was a hole, and I've inspected. There's no hole. The lining is perfect. So it's gonna go back. Here's the inside Burberry's logo. So this is going to go right back to them, where they hopefully accept it. As you can tell, I send a lot of like career wear pieces to them, a lot of dresses, blazers, career wear tops. I only send jeans in when I have like Rag & Bone, Current Elliott, Frame, those kind of brands that are just gonna sit for me. I send in there. This next piece I think I'm gonna send to ThreadUp because they've rejected this 4 times now, and it's Tadashi. It's new at tags, as you can see, and it's this evening wear type top. I think I'm going to send it to ThreadUp only because I just can't sell it on my own. And you'll see it retailed $208, but then got marked down to $79 at this place called Karma Couture. Not quite sure what that is. Maybe it's local to me. I don't know, but that's going to go to ThreadUp. Next is, okay, these pants. These were also a gamble. I don't know how to say this. I think it says made in Italy, but I'm pretty sure this is French. Marie Francois Gorbad? I don't know. Here it is, guys. Can you see that? There's the brand. But these are really funky. They've got like this streetwear vibe to it. There's like little fuzz balls in the Velcro. They're a wide leg. I think I'm going to try to sell these myself and see what happens. I don't know. They had them on their website before, but this is the second time that they've rejected them. Do I send it again? I think I'm going to delint, and I'll fix and I'll make it look pretty and get the little pieces of fuzz out of the little Velcro and try it again. Why not? And if it comes back to me again, then I will try to sell it myself and put it on eBay. This was a Salvation Army piece, again for $9.99. It's this really pretty brown silk mermaid style skirt, and is by the brand Amicus. I don't know. So here's the brand European sizing, if I can get that down. So size 44. They have sold this brand before on their website, and some of it was priced really high. And this is silk. They didn't take it the first time, but we'll try it again. Whoever opened this box this last time was a jerk and didn't take like anything but 4 pieces, which is always the worst. This is a Schwab piece. I'm gonna try again and see if they take it, because they have taken it from me before. And it's just a blouse. If they don't take it, then I'm going to send it to ThreadUp. There's one piece left here, and this is a super dry sweater. I thought they took this, but they didn't. Maybe because it looks shrunken, but it's not. It's like a crop top, very Y2K-ish type of sweater. I might try to sell this myself again. Given the season we're going into, it's like a cashmere mohair blend. So I'll try that myself. And here we are. So that's everything that I'm going to send in. There's nothing else that I am adding to it. So I'm going to keep the Tumi. I'm going to sell that myself. I'm going to keep the Miss Dior, sell that myself. I'm going to keep the Brooks Brothers dress because that was a mistake, sell that myself. Send the Vince skirt to thread up. Try to clean the Kate Spade dress and resend it in for my next shipment. The Tadashi is going to thread up. The Joie is going to go back to the real and then maybe go to thread up. And then the Super Dry, was that the name of this? I don't even remember. Yep, the Super Dry I'm going to sell myself. Oh, the Vince skirt. Did I say that already? I already said that. Never mind. So here is my, I'm not going to show you the other side, but here is my consigner packaging slip. I'm not going to show you because my address is on it and don't need that on YouTube. That's going to go in the inside the box. I've got my label. I got to tape this up, and that's it. We are good to go. We are going to clean up these other two pieces right here, the French brand pants, and then the skirt, the Haas skirt that I just have to remove some of the pieces. This is gonna go to UPS. I don't have pickup for the Real in my current location, at least I don't think I do. And we're gonna go from there. We're gonna drop off a thread up bag as well. And yeah, I've got inventory to list, which is nice because I'm not going thrifting for at least another 2 weeks. I've done enough damage with retail arbitrage that we don't need to go thrifting. Okay, well, that's it. Hopefully this is helpful to see the things that I get back and how I handle it and what I do during the sourcing process and how I kind of weigh the pros and cons and all that fun stuff. So if you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next from me when it comes to the Real. I know you guys really like this kind of content. I can tell by the analytics. So thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving your comments and asking questions. Maybe I'll do a Real Q&A. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Send me some questions, either at Instagram, send me a DM. I have my email link down below. You can send me an email. Leave it in the comments here on YouTube. Also, Jack and I may be doing a collab with the Real. I don't really know. We're talking about it. It might be a thing. Stay tuned for that. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.